Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn about aggregate functions. So aggregate functions basically return a single value which is calculated from multiple values in a column. So for example, we have this table customers where we have customer ID, customer name and their respective salaries. So and we want to calculate the average or the count, basically the number of values in a particular table or the maximum value of a particular column from this table or the minimum value of a particular column from this table or the sum of the values of a particular column from this particular table. We use aggregate functions. It is aggregating, it is combining the values, or not only just combining but returning one value from multiple values from this particular column, from a particular column in a table. So let's see one by one all of them. So the first one is AVJ, basically average. So it will return the average value of a numeric column. So select average salary from customers. So in the bracket we have to give the name of the particular column. So select average salary from customers. So what this will return is, it will return the average salary from this particular table. So it will return the average of these three values, 5,000, 5,000, 10,000 and whatever the value is, it will return that. It will return one single value from multiple values in a particular column. Now count. Now if you want to find the count of a particular column, so this is what we can write. Select count star from customers. This will tell us the number of values in this particular table. Now we can also use where condition. Now if you want to find the number of customers whose salary is greater than 5,000, so all you can what you can write is select count star from customers where the salary is greater than 5,000. So you will get the respective count. Now this is our second example. Select count distinct salary from customers. So using the distinct value, so that only the distinct values of salary are printed and basically the count of them is printed. So now let's see the third example, which is max. This will return the maximum value from a particular column in a table. So select maximum salary from customers. So this will return the maximum salary. So it will return 10,000. Okay, it will return the largest value of a selected column. Minimum, similarly min will return the smallest value of the selected column. So select min salary from customers. So whatever is the minimum salary, that will be printed. Now sum. Now sum will return the addition, the sum of all the values in a particular column. So select sum of salary from customers. So it will return the total sum of a numeric column. So obviously we have to, if we are calculating the sum, the values in that particular column should be numeric. So when we'll write select sum of salary from customers, so it will return the addition of it. Again we can use where condition in all of these. Okay, and there are other two also, like first and last, but they are not used in MySQL or Oracle and all of that, but it is available in MS Access. So first will return the value of the first row in the particular column, and the last will return the last value. But basically these five are most important. So I hope you all found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, share and comment to this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.